I can tell you that probably 4 or 5 years ago, someone invited me to the Indiana Buddhist temple they said that Tibetan monks were making a sand painting, and that after it was completed, days and days of intricate sand painting, they would actually dump it into a stream of the water as a peace offering, and that stream would then go down to the rivers, the lakes, and finally to the ocean, and finally to the world. I was kind of touched that day. That's not my thinking, but it soon began to get my mind working. There was this guy, I guess you call him a monk. He was there. He's very kind, and I began to talk with him about different things. Well, his name was Bhante Devananda, and the more I talked, the more time I spent. I asked, "Do you think we could have meditation in Bryan, Ohio?" And he said, what he often says, "Why not?" So we started the meditation, and one thing led to another, and it just seemed right that this would continue to be a loving kindness center. I mean, how do you fight loving kindness? I will tell you that the community I ran into, it wasn't just the words we used. The community, the Sri Lankan community that I ran into, was amazing. I have never seen a frown on any Sri Lankan at any time we're at the temple. Well, Bhante, someone said, "Did you know he was going to be important?" And I said, "No." But Bhante the next day or two said, "Would you come with me to Sri Lanka?" And I said, "Sri Lanka? Where's that?" But he was going to be inaugurated with a great, great honor. And I was honored to go with him. And it was amazing to see the hundreds and hundreds of people and monks and animals all exuding this loving kindness. So when coming back, my mind began to work, and I thought, what is a better thing for this beautiful 1895, built in 1895, church to be than loving kindness? And when I spoke to him, I said, "Do you think maybe we could do something at the church?" And he said, "Why not?" So we began doing this, and I would say that's been a year or so ago, planning on this. And finally I said to him, "Let's do this." And he said, "Why not?" All of you are a beautiful example. The words loving kindness mean something to me, but the people, the smiles, the people I run into every day here, that's the magic. You spread this loving kindness with your smile, with your genuine concern, with your generosity. So I thank all of you from the bottom of my heart. This is a bigger gift to me than it is to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.